Hello, Andy. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with Mikkel recently about a quick website audit to show you where a company is currently ranking and how Miracle Method stacks up to its competition. I'll actually keep this video pretty short because, in essence, your online presence is doing very, very well. I know that you are part of a franchise, so actual changes to your website probably are more difficult than most. But the only thing that I would mention for your actual website is that you definitely want to try and have your homepage rank as opposed to your back pages, because it does take, I guess, more effort for potential clients or customers to navigate around your website and hopefully land on the type of service that they're looking for. There's nothing wrong with ranking your back pages, but you do get a lot more power and influence coming from the Miracle Method main homepage coming down to your page. And then if you start diluting that by going to your separate back pages, that might be the only thing that I would suggest is just kind of building out your homepage with more content and keywords, such as bath resurfacing Austin, Texas, countertop resurfacing Austin, Texas, and keywords of that sort. So something that would make your website a little bit more user-friendly and more inclination to convert potential paying customers would be to turn any number that you have anywhere where your number is listed on the website into a clickable or click to call link. And that's just because most people nowadays are doing these kind of searches on their mobile device. So the easier it is for someone to get in touch with you, then the more likely they are to actually convert into a paying customer. As far as your rankings go on Google, you are ranking very well for most of the keywords that you're targeting. Again, you are targeting for bath resurfacing, you are targeting for countertop resurfacing, and you're usually on, if you're not in the top position, you're in the top 3 positions of those. The only one that you're not ranking for immediately is floor refinishing, which that's give or take, because there's not a whole lot of volume as far as search goes for floor refinishing. But if you wanted to be on the top of everything, that might be something that you'd want to look into, is just making sure that your keywords are targeted correctly for floor refinishing in Austin, and then you have backlinks that are going to be building towards getting that ranked up. As far as your rankings go, here are your keywords. This is your actual backlink profile. You have 20 referring domains for 242 backlinks, and you have an organic traffic of about 171, which is pretty good, and most of that is from your buyer intent. The only other thing I would recommend at this time is kind of like how I have it right here, floor refinishing or floor resurfacing. I would just go through each of your keywords to make sure that you are ranking in this section here, which is called the Google Map Pack. It's directly tied to your Google My Business. You're already ranking at the top for bathroom resurfacing or refinishing. There's several that you're already ranking at the top for. And again, this is just to make sure that you are capitalizing on the maximum amount of traffic and exposure as you can. So that would be my suggestion. Otherwise, your website is doing very well as far as SEO is concerned. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to discuss it further with you. Our number is 210-865-0718.